Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your display name on Grailed. Here are the detailed steps to change your display name on Grailed. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to www.grailed.com. In the website, click the login button in the top right corner of the homepage if prompted, and enter your email and password or use the Google/Apple credentials if you signed up that way. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your Grailed dashboard or homepage, which we have in here. Then, in the upper right corner of your dashboard or homepage, hover over your profile icon, which we have in here. Now, in here, go ahead and click on My Account from the drop-down menu, and that's going to take you to your profile settings. Now, in the settings page or the profile settings page, this is where you find your personal details, including your display name, your email, location, and your bio. So under the username, you can definitely click on it to make changes. So edit this and change it to whatever you want. Let's say I want Macamander. Let's say I just want to leave it at Macamander. And you can change your email if you want, but this tutorial focuses on the display name, which is the username. So now that I have changed it here, it says in this banner that settings changed successfully. So I don't need to click on any save button anywhere to make changes. It just saves automatically, and that's just pretty much it. So once you have made these changes, you can go back to your profile. And once you go back to your profile, you will see that the name has been changed to Macamander and not the previous Macamander 1339 something. Okay, so you can even refresh your Grailed page to ensure that the settings has been applied. Just like here, I had hovered over this and you see just Macamander and the numbers are actually automatically out. And that's just pretty much it. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.